buying a motorcycle. Good morning. You know the motorcycle I sold you? Yeah. Well, I don't know how to put this exactly, but the check you wrote out for me, it bounced. Oh no, I'm ever so sorry. I don't know what to say. Don't worry about that. These things happen. I think what happened could be. Well, now don't worry yourself. Anyway, I will write you another check. That would be nice. Perhaps I shouldn't mention this after what you have just said, but the motorcycle itself hasn't actually even started. Really? No, I haven't been able to get it to start. Dear, what an awful thing to happen. Well, perhaps you could come and have a look at it sometime. Of course, yes, I must. Can you make it tomorrow evening? Say at about 7 o'clock? Oh no, I am sorry. I am busy till 8 o'clock. I could come round sometime after 8:30 if you like. Oh yes, that will be fine. Thanks a lot.